Hello student, welcome to digital classes. This video is for class 7, subject is science and the chapter number 8, windstorm and cyclone. This is the fourth part of this chapter, and in this chapter I am going to tell you about the precautions or effective safety measure against cyclone, advanced technology for cyclone forecasting and warning, and the last typhoon and tornado. This two topic was left in the previous video, so I include in this video to understand it. In the previous video I already taught you about the atmosphere, layer of atmosphere, air exert pressures, what causes air pressure, high speed wind accompanied reduced air pressure, a movement in air, effect of air pressure, air expand on heating, and thunderstorm, cyclone. Now in this video I am going to tell you first typhoon and tornado, that is left in the first video, and then I tell you effective safety measure against cyclone and advanced technology for cyclone forecasting and warning. Now first I tell you typhoon. Tropical cyclone that originate in the China Sea are known as typhoon. These winds are also violent and very destructive. Now tornado. These are storms which form very suddenly on the land. The highest wind speed on the earth occur in tornado sometime reaches 50 km per hour. A tornado looks like a twisting funnel of air. As it goes, it sucks up anything on its path, including building, tree, cow, cars, and drops then when its force decreases. They are most common and most violent in the USA. If a tornado forms over the sea, it is known as waterspouts. When it touches the water at the ocean, water is sucked up. They seems to be rise up of the sea like enormous dark grey sea serpent. Now I am going to tell you about the management of cyclone. It is a management because it is a disaster created by nature, not controlled by human. Basically it is not controlled by the human, so it is a management to survive during cyclone. Now a definition of cyclone. A cyclone is an area of low atmospheric pressure characterized by inward spiraling wind that rotates counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and anti-clockwise in the southern hemisphere of the earth. Cyclones are named variously in various regions. A tropical cyclone is the general term for the violent circular winds with torrential rains that originate in the tropics. Hurricanes is termed when they occur in the Atlantic Ocean. They are called typhoon in the Pacific Ocean. They are called cyclone in the Indian Ocean. Now the major factor responsible for cyclone disaster. Manifestation of humanity. Manifestation of humanity overcrowding the earth's ecology due to the global warming is a reality that cannot be neglected. The human effect on the climate is the major factor leading to cyclone. Ecological impact are of various kinds like uses of land, uses of water, effect of biodiversity, use of non-renewable resources, production of greenhouse gas, production of other unacceptable gases in the form of pollutants. Now effective safety measure against cyclone. Safety measure to be taken by the government. Following safety measure against cyclone should be taken by the government. Cyclone forecast and warning system must be installed. People should be given information about the cyclone well in time through rapid communication system. Cyclone shelters must be constructed in the cyclone prone areas. There must be administrative arrangement for moving people faster to safer places. Now the preventions to be taken before cyclone. Keep a list of emergency phone numbers handy, including numbers of your local police, fire, ambulance, state emergency service, etc. Clear your property of any lost item that could become miscellaneous during extreme wind. Example, sheet iron or wood. Find out how and where to turn off power, gas and water supplies. Store your important documents like photograph, passports, birth certificates, your will in a fire or a waterproof container or safety deposit box. Check that you have adequate household and contents insurance and which hazards are not covered by the policies. Before cyclone season, prepare your home and check your cyclone plan. Prepare or check your cyclone plan and emergency kit. A plan is a vital because when a cyclone happen, there would not be time to think. So everyone in the household needs to be know what to do. You will have better chance of survive if everyone in the family agrees on a plan before cyclone season. Make sure you have a battery powered radio as a part of your emergency kit in case of power failure and mobile network going down. These are the precautions which were taken before cyclone season or before the cyclone warning. If your home is in a low lying area, decide whether will you and your family will go in case of storm surge. Ask your local council if your home is built to cyclone standards. Are you adequately insured? Make sure it covers you for storm surge, flooding and cyclone damage including cleaning up and debris removal. Check your roof and walls and repair any loose tile, even or a roof screw also. Ensure windows are fitted with shutters or metal screws and that shutters and locks are working. Trim any branches and tree tops hanging over your house and clean gutters of leaves and debris. Secure boats, caravans, trailers, garden sheet, rainwater tank, LPG bottles and solar panels. Make sure your household is familiar with the Standard Emergency Warning SEWS, which is generally broadcasted when a cyclone is 12 hours or less away. Decide how you will look after your pets and animals and what you will do if you have to leave them behind. They are generally not allowed to go with you to a temporary evacuation shelter, so you will need to decide where they will shelter during cyclone. Think about what items your pet may need and include them in your emergency kit. Preventions at the time when cyclone hits. Disconnects all electrical appliances and turn off the gas. Fuel your car and park it under solid cover. packed an evacuation kit including your emergency kit, warm cloth, essential medications, valuables, papers, photos, and keep shakes in waterproof bags. Stay inside the shelter in the strongest part of the building. Continue to listen your portable radio for update and advices. Beware of the calm eye of the cyclone. If the wind suddenly drops, do not assume that the cyclone is over. Violent wind will soon resume from the opposite direction. If you are driving, stop but well away from the sea and clear of trees, power lines, and water courses. Stay in your vehicle. If you shelter at home, turn off all electricity, gas, water, and unplug all appliances. Keep your emergency kit close at hand. Bring your family into the strongest part of the house. Keep listening to the radio for the cyclone update. Bring your family into the strongest part of the house means you have to move at a place where the house is very strong, like under the pillar or near the door, windows, etc. If the building beings a break-up, shelter under a strong table, bench, or a heavy mattresses. Beware the calm eye of the cyclone. Stay inside until hold it safety to go outside. The eyes may have light winds and fine weather, or serves gusts of wind may continue. The ice is surrounded by a dense ring of cloud known as the eye wall, which is the most dangerous part of the cyclone, which the strongest wind and heaviest rainfall. Comfort children's, you have to take care the children's because they are not stay at a place, or they may not able to understand the uh, disaster created by the cyclone. After a cyclone, the time immediately after a cyclone is often just as dangerous as the initial event itself. Deaths and injuries often happen when people go exploring and sightseeing. Remember, stay inside till all clear is given. Means we have to stay at home till there is an announcement or any information to evacuate the home or go outside. Precaution to be taken after cyclone. Don't go outside until officially advised it to safe to do so. Check for gas leaks and do not use electrical appliances if wet. Keep listening to your local radios for official warnings and advices. If you did evacuate your home, don't return until advised. Beware of fallen power lines, damaged bridges, buildings, and trees, and don't enter flood water. Don't make any unnecessary telephone calls, etc. Once the cyclone has passed, listen to your radio and remain indoor until an official all clear has been given by the authorities. An official all clear is given when dangers caused by the wind and storm surge have passed, but you still need to be take care. If you are told to return to your home, do so using the recommended route only. Do not go sightseeing. Check on your neighbors, family, and friends. Check the whereabout of the pets and animals. Boil or purify your water until supplies are declared safe. Stay away from damaged power lines, fallen trees, and flooded water. If your home has become un uninhabitable, contact your local council and ask where you can get help. If you need to go outside, be careful because the power lines could be down and there may be fallen tree, broken water and sewage line, loose roof sheeting and other material also. When you are cleaning up around your home, stack loose material clear of water meter, valves and telephone lines. Use a torch when entering a building. Never use matchsticks, cigarette lighters or naked flames as there may be a gas leak which is very dangerous that particular time. Advanced technology for cyclone forecasting and warning. Indian Meteorological Center provide magnitude service. Its primarily activity is forecasting. It performs cyclone warning service of Odisha, West Bengal, Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Cyclone warnings are announced through a variety of communication media such as radio, television, printed media, telephone, fax, telex, telegram, police wireless network also. A specially designed cyclone warning dissemination system which works via the INSET satellite provide area specific service even when there is a failure of conventional communication channel. Warning are used for general public, fishermen, farmers and different categories of users such as central and state government official responsible for disaster mitigation and relief, industrial and other establishment located in the coastal areas, railway, aviations, communications and power authorities. The cyclone warning is issued in two steps. The first stage warning, known as cyclone alert or cyclone watch, is issued 48 hours in advance of the expected beginning of the adverse weather over coastal area. The second stage warning, known as cyclone warning, is issued 24 hours in advance through wireless network. Now I recall some important things. Warm air is lighter than cold air. Wind is caused by difference in air pressure. Uneven heating of earth causes wind current. The direction of wind current is affected by the rotation of the earth. The swift movement of falling water along with the rising air producing sound, lightning, heavy rain and strong wind is called thunderstorm. Cyclone is a small low pressure system with high speed winds blowing anti-clock direction in the northern hemisphere and clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. Tropical cyclone are more powerful than temperate cyclone. A tornado looks like a twisting funnel of the air. The cyclone forecasting and timely warning, cyclone alert, may save many lives and properties. In the next part of this video, I am going to discuss about the question answer in the exercise that is on the page number 125, which make you easy to write answers and learn also for the exam or test. I think everyone would understand what I taught in this video related to the cyclone and what we have to do after cyclone, during cyclone and before the cyclone. If you feel any difficulty in any topic related to this whole chapter, you may ask within a class to clear yourself, and which makes you easy to write answers of your own.